When I first started my bookkeeping business, I said yes to everything. Yes to last minute questions, yes to weekend calls, yes to redoing reports just because the client changed their mind for the third time. And it did not take long before I started to just feel burnt out and honestly just kind of resentful towards my business. So, what changed for me that allowed me to continue running my business and growing my business without going crazy? Well, that thing was boundaries. I know boundaries is such a buzzword now, but I think it's with reason because setting even just a few clear boundaries just completely turned things around for me. And I actually started enjoying bookkeeping again and running my business. So the first boundary that I put in place was communication hours. I let clients know upfront when I'm available and how to reach me. So no more texting me on a Sunday at 9 p.m. and expecting a response that day. So I mean, my clients can text and email me whenever it's convenient for them. Like I'm accommodating with that. But if you text me on a Saturday, I'm not responding until Monday. And you need to understand that. And that just helps keep things better organized for me as well. So that I'm not just constantly glued to my phone all day trying to respond to emails and messages that come in at all hours. Second, I set a clear scope of work right from the start. So in the beginning, I would find that I was getting pulled into all kinds of extras, like giving tax advice that I was not really qualified to give. But I mean, they'd ask for my opinion, so I'd give it with a disclaimer, of course. And also like helping with things like payroll setup, even though I wasn't doing their payroll, getting paid for it. But now I spell out exactly what's included and what isn't. And if a client needs more, great, they can add it on, but they're paying. The system is just so much more fair to them because then if I'm getting paid for it, I'm definitely putting a little more effort and time into it. And then it's also obviously a lot more fair to me as well. The third boundary that changed everything for me was just telling myself that I should not be rushing anytime a client asked me for something. So I used to be that person who would drop everything the second a client sent a text or an email saying, "Hey, could you just check this or that?" And I would scramble to get it done immediately. Now, however, I give realistic timelines and I stick to them. If something's urgent, there's an extra fee if you need it done within a timeline that I had not previously agreed to, or we can schedule it for the soonest time that I can get it done realistically without putting pressure on myself. So I no longer let their panic become my problem. What I found to be the best part about setting these boundaries is that good clients respect boundaries, and the ones who don't, I have learned they're probably just not the right fit for me, and that's perfectly okay. Boundaries don't make you difficult, they make your business sustainable. And once I put them in place, bookkeeping stopped feeling like such a burden and started feeling like something that I could actually build a life around.